Number 15. The Solar P1 Pro electric scooter is a high-performance urban mobility solution that seamlessly blends power, comfort, and advanced technology to offer riders a thrilling and reliable commuting experience. Equipped with dual, powerful motors, the P1 Pro delivers impressive acceleration and hill climbing capabilities, making it suitable for both city streets and rougher terrains. Its robust frame is constructed from durable aluminum alloy, providing a solid foundation for high-speed rides while maintaining portability. Number 14. The Xiaomi electric scooter 5 Max represents a leap forward in everyday electric mobility, designed to meet the needs of commuters, students, and urban explorers alike. With its sleek, foldable aluminum frame, the 5 Max is both stylish and portable, ideal for stowing under a desk or carrying on public transport. Its robust 600-watt peak power motor delivers smooth and responsive acceleration. Number 13. The NQiX 500 is a sleek and powerful electric scooter that redefines modern micromobility with its blend of high-performance engineering and urban practicality. Encased in a stylish aerodynamic frame, the NQiX 500 is powered by a strong brushless hub motor that delivers smooth and instantaneous acceleration, effortlessly conquering steep inclines and busy city streets alike. Its intelligent battery system provides an impressive range that comfortably supports daily commutes or weekend excursions, and it features smart battery management technology to ensure optimal lifespan and performance over time. The scooter's 10-inch pneumatic tires and finely tuned suspension work in harmony to absorb shocks and deliver a stable, comfortable ride, even on uneven pavement. Number 12. The Isinwheel H7 Pro electric scooter delivers a modern blend of performance, comfort, and innovation that caters to today's urban commuters and weekend riders. Designed with a strong yet lightweight frame, it features a powerful rear-wheel drive motor that provides smooth acceleration and the ability to handle moderate inclines without hesitation. Its high-capacity lithium-ion battery offers an impressive range per charge, ideal for longer commutes, while the integrated battery management system ensures reliability and longevity. The scooter glides over city streets on its 10-inch pneumatic tires and robust suspension system, providing a cushioned ride that easily handles rough patches and curbs. Safety is enhanced by both front and rear disc brakes, coupled with a regenerative braking system that not only improves stopping power, but also feeds energy back into the battery for more efficient performance. Riders benefit from the expansive deck and grip-enhanced footplate for a stable and comfortable stance. Number 11. The Esenhe T8 electric scooter offers a sophisticated and practical ride for modern urban and suburban commuters, combining durability, user-friendly design, and ample performance. Built upon a sturdy yet portable frame, the T8 is powered by a reliable rear-wheel motor that enables smooth acceleration and steady cruising, easily tackling inclines without strain. Its beefy battery is engineered for extended rides, delivering a generous range that accommodates daily travel needs without constant recharging. With 10-inch pneumatic tires and a dual suspension setup, the scooter glides over rough asphalt and small obstacles while minimizing fatigue. The spacious deck allows for comfortable footing, and the ergonomic handlebars feature an easy-to-read LCD screen that provides real-time updates on speed, battery status, and mode selection. Number 10. The Foholo F15 electric scooter stands out as a compelling blend of sleek design and practical performance, tailored for urban commuters seeking a stylish yet reliable ride. With a robust rear-wheel motor, the F15 offers smooth acceleration and enough power to effortlessly tackle city hills. Number 9. The Ausom L2 Max is a powerhouse of performance and design, tailored for riders who crave speed, control, and comfort in one durable package. With its dual 1000W brushless motors pushing a peak of 2688 W. Number 8. The Filium ES8 is a high-performance electric scooter built for thrill-seekers who demand speed, range, and rugged durability. Equipped with dual 3000W brushless hub motors, it boasts a staggering 6000W peak output, rocketing riders to speeds beyond 55 miles per hour, and climbing steep 45-degree hills without breaking a sweat. Its powerhouse 60V38R battery delivers an impressive range of up to 70 miles, making it ideal for long-distance adventures or daily commuting with minimal charging. The ES8 is engineered to conquer challenging terrain, thanks to 11-inch tubeless off-road tires and a robust suspension setup that includes a hydraulic front fork and rear shocks. ensuring a smooth and stable ride across dirt trails, city streets, and everything in between. Comfort and control are prioritized with an adjustable handlebar, a wide non-slip deck, and a removable padded seat that caters to both seated and standing riders. Safety features are top tier, with hydraulic disc brakes providing responsive stopping power, while an ultra-bright headlight and rear light ensure visibility in low-light conditions. Number 7. The Voro Motors Emu Cruiser V2 electric scooter expertly balances comfort, performance, and safety to deliver a dependable ride perfect for longer commutes or daily adventures. Its powerful rear hub motor generates smooth acceleration and can handle moderate inclines with ease, while the substantial battery capacity extends the range to match the demands of city exploration and leisurely outings. The scooter rides confidently on 10-inch air-filled tires, complemented by front and rear suspension that works excellently to absorb vibrations and rough patches for a relaxed journey. Riders find the broad deck provides abundant foot space for comfort, and the handlebar-mounted LED display keeps essential information, such as current speed, battery level, and ride mode, well within view. When it's time to bring the journey to a close, the dual-disc brakes offer precise and secure stopping power, amplified by a regenerative braking system that helps recover energy and increases efficiency. For visibility and safety through early mornings or late evenings, the Cruiser V2 includes an integrated bright headlight, rear brake light, and side reflectors. Thoughtfully designed to be portable. Number 6. The Apollo Phantom 2.0 is a powerhouse electric scooter that delivers a thrilling combination of speed, agility, and refined engineering, making it an exhilarating choice for both everyday commuters and thrill seekers. Engineered with dual high-performance hub motors, it accelerates briskly and confidently conquers steep hills while maintaining smooth control. Its high-capacity battery not only provides substantial range, supporting long rides without frequent recharges, but also incorporates a smart BMS to optimize battery health and performance over time. Gliding on 10.5-inch pneumatic tires paired with hydraulic suspension systems, the Phantom 2.0 ensures a composed and comfortable ride even on rough urban streets or gravel paths. The expansive deck offers ample space and stability, while the intuitive handlebar display keeps riders informed of speed, battery level, riding mode, and trip data at a glance. Bringing rides to a safe stop is simple thanks to dual hydraulic disc brakes with regenerative braking that efficiently recaptures energy during deceleration. Elegant LED lighting, including a powerful headlight, side accent lights, and bright tail brake illumination. Number 5. The Solar Hyperion isn't just an electric scooter, it's a revolution on two wheels. Engineered for thrill seekers and performance-driven commuters, the Hyperion unleashes a stunning level of power with its dual 3,500-watt hub motors, capable of peaking near 4,500 watts each. That firepower translates into blistering acceleration and top speeds, reaching an eye-widening 65 miles per hour, though real-world tests average closer to 58. At its core lies a massive 72-volt, 40H Samsung 21700 cell battery, boasting a theoretical range of 70 miles, while practical conditions yield a solid 50 to 53 miles per charge, plenty for extended city rides or weekend joyrides. Built tough with an aluminum alloy frame and 11-inch tubeless split-rim tires, this beast is made for aggressive turns, harsh terrain, and high-speed stability. The fully adjustable hydraulic suspension ensures a smooth, controlled ride, even when pushing the limits. Stopping power is unmatched, thanks to premium hydraulic disc brakes paired with regenerative braking for added efficiency. Riders stay informed and connected through a sharp 3.5-inch waterproof TFT display, equipped with Bluetooth support and live phone map projection, bringing modern tech right to the handlebars. Night riders will appreciate the Hyperion's Tron-style 360-degree deck glow and powerful headlight setup, boosting both visibility and style. Weighing about 113 pounds, it's no lightweight, but it more than justifies that heft with weatherproofing rated to IP66, a pill-shaped deck built for comfort and balance, and support for riders up to 330 pounds. With split rims for easier tire changes and attention to real-world practicality, the Hyperion isn't just about speed, it's a complete high-performance machine. Bold, intelligent, and incredibly powerful, the Solar Hyperion represents the pinnacle of what an electric scooter can be. Number 4. The UmeiHawk Pro electric scooter is a standout blend of power, precision, and sleek design, engineered for riders who crave both exhilarating performance and everyday practicality. Beneath its refined exterior lies a high-torque dual-hub motor system that delivers instant burst acceleration and the capability to climb steep inclines without faltering. While its upgraded battery pack provides an impressive ride range that accommodates both daily commutes and adventurous weekend journeys. The scooter's plush ride quality comes from its advanced suspension setup and robust 10-inch pneumatic tires, which work together to smooth out rough surfaces and absorb road vibrations, offering comfort whether you're cruising city streets or exploring uneven paths. Beneath your feet, the wide deck ensures a stable and confident stance, and the ergonomic handlebars prominently host a sharp digital display that intuitively communicates speed, battery status, ride mode, and connectivity options. Number 3. The Isinwheel S10 Max is a sleek, powerful electric scooter that strikes a smart balance between urban comfort and sporty performance, perfect for riders who want more than a basic commuter without stepping into the heavy-duty category. At its core is a punchy 1,000-watt motor, providing zippy acceleration and top speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, making it ideal for quick dashes through city traffic or longer suburban cruises. Powering this agile machine is a 54.6-volt, 15-amp battery capable of delivering up to 37 miles on a single charge under optimal conditions, giving you the freedom to explore your city without range anxiety. Number 2. The Isenwheel GT2 is a rugged all-terrain electric scooter built for riders who crave both daily reliability and off-road excitement. Powered by a robust 800-watt motor peaking at 1,000 watts, the GT2 delivers confident acceleration and climbs steep hills without hesitation, reaching speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. Its power is backed by a high-capacity 48-volt 15H lithium-ion battery, offering a solid 37-mile range on a full charge. Plenty for daily commutes, weekend exploration, or spontaneous detours off the beaten path. Whether you're cruising city avenues or tackling uneven trails, the GT2 handles it all with 11-inch knobby pneumatic tires and dual hydraulic suspension at the front and rear, smoothing out potholes and rough surfaces with impressive ease. Safety and stopping power are just as dialed in, thanks to front and rear hydraulic disc brakes enhanced by EABS anti-lock support for controlled deceleration at any speed. The cockpit is equipped with a vivid LED display that keeps you informed with real-time speed, battery status, and ride modes, while its 360-degree lighting system, including dual headlights, turn signals, side lights, and a rear brake light, ensures visibility in all directions, day or night. Number 1. The Esenhe T4 off-road e-scooter delivers a unique blend of off-road grit and urban practicality, offering a dynamic ride for those who want adventure without giving up convenience. At its heart lies a powerful rear-wheel 500-watt motor that peaks at 1,000 watts, enabling the T4 to reach speeds up to 20 kilometers per hour while confidently conquering inclines of up to 30%. Whether you're tackling hilly terrain or cruising through the city, the T4 handles it all with smooth consistency. Its 48V 12.5 Ah battery, providing around 600 watt-hours of capacity, translates to an impressive range of 60 to 70 kilometers per charge, making it ideal for extended commutes or weekend explorations.